Hi, I'm Brandon from Bright Arrows Ranch, and today will be part 2 of what we do on our farm. So one of the things we do is we raise chickens. We raise about 150 new birds a year. We do other farm birds as well, ducks and sometimes turkey. We raise chickens for several reasons. A vast majority of them we sell as laying hens when they're coop ready. But we also keep a flock of about 40 birds for ourselves for egg production and meat production. But mostly these are a product that we sell on the farm. So laying hens that are coop ready and that are stable to help other people start their first flock of chickens or to replenish their flock. But we keep a vast volume coming through so that we always have hens that are laying so that we have the eggs that we need, and it really helps our farm run smoothly.